Add a handful of bay leaves to banana peels right now and wait until you see the unbelievable transformation that happens next. Stay with me until the very end of this video because once you truly understand the result of this viral hack, you will never toss another banana peel away the same way again. We're going to start this process with 2 very ripe bananas. Peel them carefully and set the fruit aside for a snack later. Today, our focus is entirely on the peels themselves. Banana peels are nearly always discarded, yet they are packed with vital nutrients that most people completely ignore. They contain high levels of antioxidants, fiber, potassium, and natural organic compounds that support the human body in truly surprising ways. Take these peels and cut them into medium-sized strips with a sharp knife. They don't need to be too small, but not too large either. Just pieces like this, large enough to release their deep properties, yet small enough to infuse the liquid properly. Place them into a stainless steel pot. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now add 2 whole cinnamon sticks. Next, add 5 fresh bay leaves. Bay leaves are traditionally valued for their powerful, cleansing, and aromatic qualities. Now comes the key ingredient, cloves. Add a generous handful. These small dark spices may look insignificant, but they are incredibly potent. Comment, yes, if you're going to try this at home. Now, in a medium pot, add all ingredients as follows. Pour 500 milliliters of fresh water into the pot, enough to fully cover all the ingredients. Turn on the heat and bring everything to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. As it boils, you will notice the water darkens and the aroma deepens, filling your entire space with a warm, earthy, and inviting scent. This waiting time matters more than you think. It allows the nutrients, essential oils, and natural compounds from each ingredient to blend fully into the liquid. You may not see dramatic changes yet, but inside the pot, everything is activating at a molecular level. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and strain the liquid carefully into a glass container. The result is a rich amber-colored infusion. Now here is exactly what this mysterious preparation is for. Drink just 1 cup of this warm infusion each night for 10 consecutive days. This natural elixir supports your digestion, helps regulate blood sugar, assists your kidney function, and promotes deep overall detoxification. Many people notice significantly improved circulation, reduced morning puffiness, and much clearer skin. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. If this tip surprised you, share it with someone who loves natural remedies. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying it. This simple natural infusion can do more for your body than you might expect. By combining banana peels, bay leaves, cinnamon, and cloves, you're giving your body a powerful blend of antioxidants and essential nutrients that work together to support overall health. It helps improve digestion, making your system feel lighter and more balanced. It may also assist in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is especially important for maintaining steady energy throughout the day. Many people experience better kidney support and natural detoxification, helping the body flush out unwanted toxins more effectively. Over time, this can lead to clearer skin, reduced bloating, and improved circulation, giving you a fresher, more energized feeling every morning. Instead of throwing away banana peels, you're turning them into something truly beneficial for your body.